have to set the teeth from there, okay, but they don't have any custom color. Or even partial, just some people don't have any teeth. Looks like 3 teeth, they don't have any teeth, right? 3 teeth, only 3 teeth. The problem is the Jason teeth has a different natural color. Dental laboratory have to set the teeth from there, okay, but they don't have any custom color. So this video, how can I overcome with from the genetic color to make the fancy the color? Is very unique, right? So you can stay tuned so I can show you how to trick. It won't take too long, probably 4 minutes that you can get it. To match with the natural teeth to show you cap. So maybe we're going to show the staining technique. From the gingiva is the darker, and then toward the incisor edge. That's good. So we're going to make that line too. So what we did, using the ochre, and then make big gingiva all the way incisor, create a membrane effect. Make the white horizontal line or the vertical line just like this. That's good, pretty good. Yeah. Premolar is good. I like this premolar. So then good, and the other premolar, and then we'll be done. Yeah, just a little bit, and then extra. Even partial, so we make the light B1. I choose from here. So we cannot choose dark. First color, then the green. Oh. Yeah, that's good. That's nice. Okay, cool. So what I do here is, here's a tip, so you can see my video. I can painting you can do it. You just nail painting. Same thing. The key is here. Number one, you have to select the denture tools correctly. For example, so doctor gave us a my shade guy, so we made a high value, then we screw. So what I'm trying to using the denture teeth setup, no matter what kind of denture teeth, there's a million denture teeth company out there, right? Not million, but 20 different company. So I choose, even though this dark, okay, most of the time the dentist prescribe the dark tooth, looks like C4, C2, A4, A3 is dark color, which is very bad. Why? I have to make up. In order to make up, your face supposed to be brighter and low value. So what I do, even though this one looks like C3, C4 is a dark color, but I choose a B1, which is lighter color. Previously I choose it. That's number one tip. Otherwise, you're going to screw. You cannot use dark color and painting. It's not going to work. So I choose light, bright color, even darker color here. Number two, we're using the composite with the stain and with 3 times. Not 1 time, just 3 times. Because 1 time I put just like exactly face, so you can ask your wife, right? 1 time basic and then put it in there. 2nd time put some little. 3rd time make characteristic, so which I did it. All right, so 3 teeth make this patient happy. So whenever they put into the patient's mouth, even though the metal clasp down there, but color will be more detailed and then can produce it just like this teeth. You see the crack line? So another tip is here, I don't follow dark teeth. I'm trying to follow light teeth. Whenever they smile, I follow 4 teeth. Here is old composite here. I don't follow it because they are going to replace it. Old composite, whenever they put their saliva, the color will be disappear. That's kind of a trick. But whenever they open it, but they see composite, and you can stand out because the dehydration effect, you see the ugly. But how many people open their teeth all the time except sleeping, right? Sleeping, nobody care. So this is opening from dentist side, so I can get that one. So ignore this. So I follow this lighter and crack line, membrane, that color. There'll be most people accept the cases, okay? Otherwise, they want really best. I think they're crazy. This is a matter, right? Or they have to come to the in the laboratory so we can give you a custom, but that one's another price too. Anyway, this is the same price, partial with titanium, so patient can get the best partial ever, which is old traditional technique, is all the time working. By the way, it's my name Luke Kahng from LSK 121 Auto Prosthetic. I'm the owner, and thanks for the follow all my social media and YouTube channel. And then we working hard. I'm trying to give you the best technique as much as possible, which is I do have a live cases here a lot. We're working with so many different dentists, great dentists, and then we're trying to make the best ever than anybody. All right, thanks for watching. See you soon.